Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today kami daripada kumpulan 3 ingin membuat perbincangan tentang soalan 3 yang dibagi kepada kami. Okey. Jadi soalan yang pertama, PQ and R are 3 points in space where PQ equal to A and PR equal to B. Given A equal to 2I plus 2J minus K, B equal to I plus 2J plus 2K. So the first is find the area of the triangle PQR. So dalam soalan ni dia sudah bagi tahu PQR ni adalah 3 point. Yang 3 point yang mana PQR ni dia membentuk satu triangle. Jadi dia sudah bagi kalau PQ tu dia punya vektor dia A, PR tu vektor dia B. Jadi untuk cari triangle PQR kita mesti darab dulu. Sebabkan dia sudah bagi tahu yang PQ tu ialah A, PR adalah B, kita mesti darab dulu vektor A dengan vektor B. Jadi daripada soalan ni kita darablah. Dia macam seperti yang ditunjuk dalam slide ni. Dia darab begitu. Lepas tu dapatlah sudah darab-darab dapat 2I tolak 3J tambah 6K. Lepas tu sudah darab vektor A dan vektor B, kita akan cari area of triangle PQR. Dia punya formula 1/2 darab magnitude A darab B. Magnitude kan? Okey, jadi lepas tu kita darab dia macam biasa. Kita buat yang punca kuasa, kita ikut formula macam sebelum ni yang kita belajar. Yang vektor A dengan B tu kita kasih punca kuasa dia. Lepas tu darab, dapatlah sudah sama dengan 7. Lepas tu 7 tu kita darab dengan 1/2. Lepas tu dapatlah dia punya final answer 7/2 unit kuasa 2. Unit kuasa 2 sebab dia area. Okay, next.
Next question is find the parametric equation of the line L passing through the point R, which is 2, 0, 3 and parallel to vector A. Okay, so for this question, we know that line L is parallel to vector A, and the question want to find the parametric equation of the line L. So we're going to use vector R equal to vector A plus T vector V. So vector A, we are going to take point R, which is 2, 0, 3, and the vector V is 2I plus 2J minus K, and we just substitute it into the equation. So we just solve it macam biasa. Our first parametric equation is 2 plus 2t, and second parametric equation is 2t, and the last parametric equation is 3 minus t. So I'm going to pass to the next person.
Okay, question 3 Roman. A vector U equal to magnitude B multiply vector A plus magnitude A multiply vector V, and vector V equal to magnitude vector A multiply vector B minus magnitude of vector V multiply vector A. Evaluate scalar product of vector U and V, hence interpret the geometrical relationship between vector U and vector V. Okay, so to find the scalar product, first of all we took out all the info from the question. So using the info and the formula, we can find the magnitude of vector A and vector V, which is both will be equal to 3. Next, we will substitute the value of magnitude of vector A and B, which is 3, into the equation of vector U and V. Simplify, and again we substitute the values of vector A and B into the equation. Finally, we will get vector U is equal to 9i plus 12j plus 3k, and vector v equal to negative 3i plus 9k. To find the scalar product of vector u and v, we can use the matrix form of this vector. Then we simply multiply the numbers and we got the answer of scalar product vector u and vector v is equal to 0. So based on the properties, if scalar product is equal to 0, the geometrical relationship between vector u and v is vector u and vector v are perpendicular to each other, where the theta value is equal to 90 degree. So now I will pass to the last question. Thank you.
Thank you, Claire. Okay, for the next question, given non-zero vector P and Q are perpendicular, prove that modulus P plus Q square equal to modulus P square plus modulus Q square. Okay, from the left-hand side, modulus P plus Q square, we can kita boleh sama dengan dia dengan P tambah Q dengan darab dengan P tambah Q. So kita akan kembangkan P tambah Q tadi itu, kita akan dapat P dot P plus P dot Q plus Q dot P plus Q dot Q. Q dot P boleh kita assume sebagai P dot Q juga, dan di sini perpendicular P dot Q equal to 0, so dia kita akan sama dengan P dot P akan dapat modulus P square plus dengan 0 plus 0, and Q dot P equal to square Q modulus Q square. So kita akan dapat jawapan square P modulus P square plus modulus Q square. So we can see that modulus P from the left hand side, modulus P plus Q square equal to from the right hand side, modulus P square plus modulus Q square. So the left hand side are equal to right hand side. So this equation are shown. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So that's all for us. Thank you.